So finally, Liverpool have collected their defeat. I said it that the club that will beat Liverpool will to just be like a surprise to them. That the club that will defeat them is coming. And here they come. Crystal Palace beating Liverpool 2-1. This is an incredible game. Liverpool was down until 85 minutes when Chisa scored for them and equalized the goal 1-1. Then 90 minutes, they got 6 minutes plus. And everybody was expecting Liverpool, they have been doing this. Everybody was expecting them to win the game after equalizing. Then a miracle happened. Crystal Palace scored again. That miracle that have been happening for Liverpool have now favored Crystal Palace. What an incredible game. Who would have thought this? Man, let me know what you think in the comment section. Please like, comment, and share. Thank you.